Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the top cover and wireless module. Removal. Important. Make careful note of the routing of the display panel and wireless antenna cables for later replacement. Disconnect the display panel cable from its connector on the system board. Carefully disconnect the wireless antenna cable from the system board by grasping the connector with a small pair of needle nose pliers or tweezers. Important. Make careful note of which wireless antenna cable is connected to the terminal on the system board for later replacement. Caution. Use care when disconnecting the wireless antenna cable from the system board. A damaged cable or connector can degrade notebook performance. Remove the wireless antenna cables from the routing channel on the base enclosure. Remove the two 3mm P0 Phillips head screws that secure the display panel assembly to the base enclosure. Carefully lift the display panel assembly off of its alignment pins on the base enclosure and remove. Replacement. Align the display panel hinges over the screw holes and alignment pins on the base enclosure and lower the display panel assembly into position. Important. Ensure that the wireless antenna and display panel cables are free from being pinched between the display panel assembly and base enclosure. Replace the two 3mm P0 Phillips head screws that secure the display panel assembly to the base enclosure. Route the wireless antenna cables through the routing channel on the base enclosure. Reconnect the wireless antenna cable to the connector on the system board. Caution. Use care when connecting the wireless antenna cable to the system board. A damaged cable or connector can degrade notebook performance. Connect the display panel cable onto its connector on the system board.